Guys, Professor Dumbledore posted a list of words that are banned from Hogwarts. I didn't know wizards had swears.
Of course they do, Harry. They're called wizard swears.
Ooh, like cauldron bum.
Really? That's adorable.
Oh, they're worse than that. Read some, Harry.
Let's see here. Son of a banshee. That's useful.
Swish and flicker. That's my favorite.
Do my ears detect foul-mouthedness?
Oh, no, Professor Snape.
Voldemort's nipple!
Excuse me?
Harry.
I refuse to have this filth spewed in my presence, Mr. Potter. 500,000 points from Gryffindor.
Dragon bogies.
Everybody run. Expecto Patronads!
Rabble-rousers.
Oh, that was fun. Oh, hi, Neville.
Hello, Harry, Hermione, Ronald. What's up, guys?
We're saying magical naughty words like jiggery-pokery.
My grandmother forbids me from using raunchy language.
Well, your grandmother is a blast-ended skank.
He doesn't mean it, Neville. He's just testing out some wizard swears.
I mean every word I ever say, ever, because I'm Harry Potter.
I'm telling Professor Dumbledore.
You're such a broomhead.
This is against the rules.
I can't let you do this, Neville.
Oh, no. No. I don't want to swear. My grandmother doesn't want me to swear. No.
Are you a Gryffindor or not, Neville?
I am a Gryffindor, but...
Try it then. Here's the list. Say anything.
You can do it, Neville.
Hagrid's butt quack.
Yay!
You sicken me.
But it's on the list.
Hagrid is 10 times the man you'll ever be, Neville. Leave Hogwarts, Neville Longbottom. Never come back.
Yay! You're quite the hellion today, Harry.
Yeah, you're rife with boyish attitude.
Hey, let's do a prank call. Voldemort speaking. Leprechaun taint.
What? You kids, if I ever find out who's calling me...
I will call the wizard's law, and you will go to wizard jail, and I'll kill you, because I will...
There they are.
Stop calling.
Professor Snape would like to have a word with you, children.
Oh, unicorn turds.
That is exactly the sort of vulgarity that I want to eradicate from the distinguished halls of Hogwarts. The traditions of the school must be upheld and respected. The founders surely would...
Muggle f***ing troll shit, Snape.
What?
You floppy-wanded Dementor buggerer.
Dobby's sock.
Dumbledore, I urge you to expel these monsters.
Oh, Snape, let them have their flapdoodle.
But you're the one who banned the words in the first place.
I don't even remember 5 minutes ago. Back to your skulking.
Thank you so much, Dumbledore.
Alas, you're welcome.
Dumbledore, you're obscenely old, right?
Why, yes.
Do you know any super ancient, lost to the ages, archaic, olden times wizard swears?
Well, there is one.
I want to hear it.
The Elder Swear. You must never repeat it to anyone.
We won't, Professor.
Here it is. Your mother is a in lorem ipsum admitum venium tragula hippopotamus Republican in Daniel Radcliffe with a bucket of and a castle far away where no one can hear you soup with a bucket of Mickey Mouse and a stick of dynamite. Magical Alakazam.
Wow.
Now you know. You must never, ever repeat it, okay?
We promise, sir.
Your mother is a...
Lord,
this is a...
Admin Venium.
Transfer.
Hippopotamus.